Hello, friends. Good morning. Hope you're doing good. Have a great day, guys. Let me explain you a very simple topic, that is most common in our IT industries or any sort of projects you do. So first of all, if you get any assignment, you get a start date and an end date, and you need to calculate your TAT, that is turnaround time or business days. The business days needs to, finish that work. Somebody can ask you how many days you need to complete this activity, and you have 1 month of time. So you need to calculate your TAT, turnaround time or business days. So how you calculate it is a very beautiful function from Excel that calculate networks days.intl. This is networks days international. This is a new function which also calculates, holidays because many countries have holidays on Saturday and Sunday, and some countries also have holidays on Friday, like Gulf countries. So let me, explain you with a small example. You see, this is my start date. This is my test data. This is start date. You see, this is the today's date I have taken, and this is the end date. Just after 30 days, 5th of April, 26. These are my holidays. 10th of March, 11th of March, and this is weekend, Saturday and Sunday. I just copied it before, copied it down. This test data. It's the same test data, start date, end date. These are my holidays. 4 days I am taking holiday. You see, 9th March, 10th March, 19th March, and 20th March. These are my holidays. And Saturday, Sunday is my weekend. So let's try and calculate the number of business days actually I have to complete my work. So let's begin. So let me just write my formula and see how it works. So now see this parameters is asking for the start date. Let me give him the start date is 5th March, comma. Now this is asking me end date. Let me give this one as end date, comma. Now see, this is asking weekend. So what weekend you have in your company or organization? It could be Saturday, Sunday, could be Sunday, Monday, or could be just only a Friday. So you just select that option. So for me, it is Saturday and Sunday. So I selected one and copy and holidays. So see, I have this 4 days as my holidays. So let me select this and close the bracket and enter. You see 18. Wow, that's awesome. So we get the number of days, the business days I have. So I have 18 days to complete my activity, actual 18 working days or 18 business days to complete my activity. So guys, this is how you calculate your TAT. Please subscribe my channel, stay tuned with me, and we will deep dive into data science world slowly and gradually, and we'll keep exploring how things real goes in real-time environment. Thanks a lot, guys. Keep keep watching my channel. Take care. Have a great day ahead.